Kameera recipe. In a clean bowl, add 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar, a half cup of warm milk. Mix well. Add 3 cups of flour. A half cup of milk powder. 1 tablespoon of black cumin seeds. Salt to taste. A half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix them using your hands and knead the mixture by adding water. The dough should be looser than chapati dough. At last, spread some oil. Close it and set it aside for 1 hour until the dough ferments and rises. Now the dough has fermented. Roll the dough into balls. Shape them thick, like cubes. You can shape them however you like. I'm shaping mine into moon shapes. Now it's ready to fry. Fry them in hot oil. Fry them over medium heat. Fry them on both sides until golden brown. Kameera is ready. It can be eaten with any gravy. Here, I am serving it with dragon chicken. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.